Hello UK Future students, this is Anita and this is my colleague Bhavya. We are here back with another video. Let's get started.
Yes, we are here to walk you through the entire process of January intake, starting from the deadlines and navigating the application process. We have got you covered. Let's get started.
Compared to any other intakes of UK, January intake is actually a smaller intake and not all the universities are actually offering all the courses, and it's a very short intake, and if the students wanted to go for the January intake, they have to start their application process as quick as possible to secure the seats, right?
Exactly. And as one of the top consultants in the UK, we can provide a comprehensive list of universities to the students based on aligning with their career goals.
Coming to the exciting part, the UK universities are offering a lot of scholarship to the Indian students, which includes automated scholarship,
Merit-based scholarships
and also the external scholarship is also applicable for the students, right?
And to avail the scholarship, there are some applications to be made to the university, and we have a team who can help the student to apply for the scholarships as well.
And you remember last intake also, many of our students received maximum number of scholarship, including the 50% of scholarship, and for the Lancaster, one of our students received
16,000 scholarships.
So the students have a lot of opportunity to reduce their tuition fees, and they can study in the top ranked UK universities with an affordable tuition fees as well.
Yeah, with an international exposure as well.
That's true actually.
Yes, Anita, as you said, there are lots of external scholarships are available, and many of the students are not aware of these kind of scholarships. So if they come through us, definitely we can help them to know which are the scholarships they are eligible to apply.
Based on their qualifications.
Yes, exactly. And now the students are actually wondering how to get into a best university in the UK and what are the procedures to complete their application. So there are so many questions in the students' mind. So let's dive into that and explain the procedures.
Sure, 100%. Foremost step in the entire process is identifying a good university and the best course. This is the most complicated process in the entire journey of a student to the UK. I would say that has to align with their future career goals, their interests, and also the same time it has to match with the university entry requirements as well, right? Here comes the role of an expert team or an expert counselor in order to identify this and also guide them properly.
That's right. Actually, we have a team of counselors who are British Council certified, and we have an application team wherein they help the student with all the application process, and we do prepare the student for the pre-CAS interview as well as the UPVI interview. So the process becomes very much hassle-free.
On top of that, we can help the students to identify accommodation, arrange the airport pickup, and also help them to book the flight ticket. Everything is available in the HSZ under one umbrella. That is one of the advantage of the students when they are actually walking into HSZ, right?
Yes, and you are all set to start your journey to the UK in this January, and remember the deadlines are approaching, so do not forget to start your application process at the earliest.
So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any doubts, we all are here. The expert counselors are available. Please do contact us. The contact details are given in the description box. Catch you in another informative video. Till then, bye bye from HSZ family.
And do not forget to subscribe, share and like. Bye bye.